Hi children, hope that all are safe and healthy at home. Today we are going to start our new lesson, solids, liquids and gases. Here children, firstly let we all do one set of a coloring part. All of you color the sky with a blue crayon. After that you have finished your coloring, observe the tip of the crayon. What do you can see children? The shape of the tip has become flat. It is because some of the particles of the crayon passed on to the surface of the paper. As a result of rubbing, this shows the crayon was made up of smaller particles, right? Similarly, you can try to crush chalk. Have you heard about rice and wheat grains used to make flour? Here children, let me now discuss about molecules. What are molecules children? The particles we are not the smallest particles of a substance. In fact, all the substances are made up of very tiny particles that cannot be seen with our naked eye. These particles are called as molecules. All substances are made up of molecules. A molecule is the smallest unit of a substance that shows all the properties of the substance. For example, a molecule of oxygen has all the properties of oxygen. The molecule is an activity made up of smaller particles called atoms. Here children, what are atoms here? Atoms combine in different ways to form millions of different kinds of molecules. Atoms are different kinds. There are 113 kinds of atoms on the earth. Here children, atoms is made up of three types of particles. What are they? Proton, neutrons and electrons. Here children, their different combinations can make the millions of molecules of a substance. A molecule can be made up of two or more atoms. A substance can be made of similar or different kinds of molecules. Here children, let me now discuss about elements. What are elements children? Substances whose molecules are made up of one type of atom are called elements. We can have some of the examples like oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, iron, gold, silver. Here children, let me now discuss about components. Substances whose molecules are made up of two or more different kinds of atoms is called a compound. Let me have some of the examples like sugar, salt, water and carbon dioxide. Here children, let me have now two characters like Nani and Ritu. They both are at home helping their mom. Yeah children, as the same way you also help to your mother, right? Nani and Ritu are also helping their mother. They are filling all the empty bottles. Their mother is heating the water in a vessel to purify it and store it in the bottles. Nani observed something coming out of the vessel in which water was boiling. Is it smoke? Nani wonders. Ritu takes her water bottles out of the fridge and she shows Nani that water they have filled in the morning is no longer there. It has taken as a fixed solid shape. How did this happen? Means water which has kept in the fridge later on turned into the solid shape of an ice cube. How this can be happen? They both are wonder. Did someone replace the water in the cup with ice? Okay, fine children. Let us read about solids, liquids and gases and their properties to understand the changes in the states of matter. Here children, you already know about the states of matter, right? The matter in which the molecules are arranged within matter results in different states of matter. Matter can exist in three states like solids, liquids and gases. For example, ice, solid, water, liquid and water vapor is a gaseous state. Here children, let me now look at one of the activity children. Firstly, stand in a circle, children, all of you, so that you are visible to the rest of the students. Ask the other students to get inside the circle and fill up the space. Now link your arms with one another and hold on tightly. Now try to move away from your place by one. Why did you find that there is a difficult to move away? Clear, children? Means there is some set of difficulty. Means they are not able to move. Why? Because they hold it tightly, right? Let me now discuss about solids. You are like a molecules in a solid which are packed tightly and are held together by a strong force of attraction. They have no space between them to move around because they are very close to each other. Such an arrangement of molecules gives a solid substance a definite shape and a definite volume, right? Solids are therefore hard and rigid. Examples we can have table and chair. Solids have a tendency to maintain their shape and has subjected to outside force. Solids may break under force, but it is difficult to change the shape as they are rigid. Yeah, children, I hope that everyone understood the topics of solids, liquids, gaseous, and also about molecules, elements, components, and about solids. In the later on session, I'll explain you about liquids and gases states. Thank you. Have a nice day, children.